Head of Sudan's ruling Sovereign Council, General Abdul Fattah Burhan, visited Alfashaqa in the east of Sudan on Monday after Ethiopia killed 7 Sudanese soldiers and a civilian in the border area. The incident was the latest sign of deteriorating ties between the East African nations. A Sudanese military statement late Sunday described the killings as a cowardly act and said Khartoum would retaliate.
مخليكم قادرين تعملوا الوطن دي ما تخلوا اي زول يحوم فيها تاني.
We will support you and we will stand with you. We will make you able to prevent anyone from entering this point again. Your brothers who have gone, those who were killed, we and you are able to restore their rights. We will make the enemy see that we are not easy. We will not make this issue miss like this. We do not want to talk much, but our response will be on the ground. Ethiopia's foreign ministry confirmed the killings. It said in a statement that the Sudanese military unit had crossed into Ethiopia with the support of rebels from the Tigray region. Ties between the two neighbors have deteriorated in recent years amid a long-running border dispute.